OR block would look like this. This is one Boolean expression. Here's another Boolean expression. So if this was the light bulb, and this was our 24 volts, and our plus or minus, all it takes is for this to be true. It doesn't matter if this switch is open or this statement is false. Electricity will flow through the closed one nonetheless, and it will light it up. On the other hand, if we have an AND switch, if we have an AND operator, so that was the OR before. Let me start again. So in this case, it does not matter if this switch is true, because the fact that this one is false and this is open, there is no way electricity can flow any further than this point. And this is the end. Okay. So what would a knot look like? Knot, I believe, would look like this. Now we're true. See? If I take it out, false. If I put it back, we're true. And that's the difference between not and not equals to. Let's do this again. So right now we're saved and PV1 is true. If we remove the knot and we save, PV1 is false. So what is this? Lines are what we call subroutines. that was telling us that doesn't go there. Okay. So what just happened? So we're right now apparently on line 1. That's what this says. Current line 1. A line is a subroutine. The only way to get out of a line is to essentially use a go-to statement. There is no other way to get out of a line, and this was not done properly. So because of that, we need to have some way to leave this line at some point. So let's actually just go ahead and do this. Let's leave that calculation there. In fact, let's call this init. So this is another way to make lines. So then I would suggest if you use names, you have to use a semicolon. If you use line numbers, you don't. I don't think you can use both. Maybe you do. Apparently you can use both. I wouldn't, just because I guess it's kind of weird, but hey, you know what? We've already gotten on this train, so let's see how far it goes. So here in line 1, we're going to say if IV1 is higher or equal than AV4, then go to line 2. Else, alright, well, let's see. Oh, well, no errors, so that's a good way to start. No syntactical errors. So let's see what this is doing. Okay, looks like it got stuck on going to line 2. Yeah, so it's pretty much stuck right here. And this is what happens with lines. So Let's see if we can fix this with values, right? Let's let's actually do this instead, just to see if the program flows a little better. Let's see. All right, that's a little better. So what if now we change this to an AND? And that is what subroutines and the goto statement look like. And as you can see, we were able to use a subroutine here using a different convention